Major scientific progress from 2001 to 2020. Welcome to Year Digest. Today we are going to be talking about scientific progress from 2001 to 2020, a time period that saw some of the most exciting and groundbreaking advancements in human history. From the discovery of new planets to major breakthroughs in medicine, technology, and more, this 20-year span was a time of incredible scientific discovery. 1. Astronomy and space science. In the early 2000s, astronomers made some incredible discoveries in space. In 2003, the first exoplanet, or a planet outside of our solar system, was discovered. In 2009, NASA's Kepler Space Telescope was launched and went on to discover over 2,000 exoplanets. In 2015, scientists detected gravitational waves for the first time, which opened up a new way of studying the universe. 2. Biology and medicine. In the field of biology and medicine, the 2000s saw some major advancements in genetics and biotechnology. The Human Genome Project was completed in 2003, providing scientists with an unprecedented understanding of human DNA and genetic information. In 2012, the first successful gene therapy treatment was approved, offering hope for people suffering from previously incurable diseases. 3. Technology. The 2000s were a time of rapid technological advancement, particularly in the areas of mobile technology and the Internet. In 2007, the first iPhone was released, revolutionizing the way people interact with technology. In the same year, Amazon launched the first Kindle, forever changing the way people read and access books. 4. Climate change. Climate change became a major issue in the 2000s, with scientists warning of the dangerous impacts of rising global temperatures. In 2007, the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change released a report stating that it was very likely that human activities were causing the Earth to warm. In 2015, the Paris Agreement was signed, representing a global effort to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and combat climate change. 5. Artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence made major strides in the 2000s, with the development of new machine learning algorithms and the rise of big data. In 2011, IBM's Watson computer defeated two of the best human players on the TV game show Jeopardy! In 2016, Google's AlphaGo AI defeated the world champion at the complex game of Go, demonstrating the rapidly advancing capabilities of AI. 6. Energy and sustainability. The 2000s saw a growing focus on renewable energy and sustainability, as scientists and policymakers sought ways to reduce our dependence on fossil fuels. In 2009, the United States passed the American Recovery and Reinvestment Act, providing funding for renewable energy projects. In 2014, the world's largest floating solar power plant was installed in China, showing the potential for renewable energy to meet our energy needs. 7. Materials science and nanotechnology. In the field of materials science and nanotechnology, scientists made incredible advances in the 2000s, developing new materials and nanoscale devices with unprecedented properties. In 2005, scientists created the first graphene, a two-dimensional material with extraordinary strength and conductivity properties. In 2008, the first functional nanoscale transistors were developed, opening up new possibilities for miniaturization in electronics. 8. Robotics. The field of robotics made major strides in the 2000s, with the development of new robots and autonomous systems for a variety of applications. In 2005, the first humanoid robot, ASIMO, was developed by Honda. In 2009, the DARPA Grand Challenge was held, a competition to develop autonomous vehicles that could drive themselves over a complex course. So there you have it, some of the major scientific advancements from 2001 to 2020. It's truly incredible to see how far we've come in just 20 years. From new discoveries in space to breakthroughs in medicine and technology, this period has seen some of the most exciting and groundbreaking advancements in human history. Thanks for tuning in, and we hope you enjoyed this overview of scientific progress from 2001 to 2020. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to Year Digest.